This video is brought to you by AdrianMilea.com, the place where you can learn audio production, mixing and mastering. If you're working in audio production domain, especially if you are mixing or mastering, you have to start thinking about protecting your ears. A couple of years ago I started also thinking about that, and one of the ways I found to protect my ears was to use a pair of noise cancelling headphones. So I chose these ones from Sennheiser's. They are PX550, the first generation, and after 2 or 3 years of use, this happened. The good news is that you can change these thingies, but you can buy on Amazon. They are from another company, but people say they are not great. So I bought directly from Sennheiser. The truth is that they were like in back order, but after 2 or 3 months, about 2 months, I finally got them. So today I'm going to change them. If you're wondering what's the part number, it is called HZP49. I'm not sure you are seeing this. There you go. So we're going to change these ear pods. To do this, you have to, well, let's first see what we have here. Okay. Well, let's take another one, which is another used one. So you just pull like this. So you see, here are like some snaps here. So you just attach the earbuds on your headphones. And we'll try. Well, first I will clean this a bit, because there's a lot of unwanted dust there. Okay, and let's see if this snaps easily on headphones. Okay, I must be doing something not right. So let's try this on the table. So I'm going to try this on the table, maybe this will help. Okay, so I just attach like this. Okay, it's not working. How do I do this? So the best way to do this I found to be by watching these snaps under this thing here, because I try to put them with put pressure on it, but it doesn't work. So the best way is to watch how this plastic line attaches with these snaps here. So I'm gonna try this another time. Okay, so you see here, I'm not sure you can see. Well, you need to attach this plastic under these snaps. So I'm gonna try this once again. Come on, man. It worked. Okay. So we have a snap There you go. So maybe the technique is to align that plastic on the snaps and then put pressure on it. I'm not going to try this again because I finally managed to put them here. So okay, it seems, oh no, besides the last one that didn't snap. Yes, there you go. So after you manage to put these on your headphones to change them, you need to check them if they all snapped and your plastic is under these snaps. So there you go. I hope this helps someone. But now it's time to test them. So this is how they look. Now it's time to see. Yeah, this is like the original ones. And now I'm listening to some music. This is the way you control the volume up and down. Well, it seems to work. Okay, recharge headset. I need to recharge headset because the battery is low. But if you are interested in changing the earpads for your headphones, I highly recommend you to contact Sennheiser because this is the way I bought them. I contacted someone from Sennheiser. So after a month and a half or almost 2 months, I got them because they were in back order. But if you are interested in buying a noise cancelling headphone, I highly recommend them. But you need to be aware if you are using Mac and you want to listen a higher rate of audio like 48 kilohertz, 24 bits. You will experience some interruptions because of a codec thing, I think. But if you don't want to have this problem, there are the newer version of this. I think it's the second generation. This is the first one, and I'm very pleased with this. But in the future, I'm thinking about buying the second generation. And by the way, I made the comparison when I was searching for my noise cancelling headphones. I tried also the Q35, I think, from Bose, but this impressed me more. I highly recommend you these headphones. If not, buy the second generation, and hopefully this video, this unplanned video, will help someone. So until next time, stay cool and make great music.